The music education curriculum at Oklahoma City University is unique in several ways. One of which is that we believe that people learn to teach by teaching. Now, it doesn't mean that we just learn by jumping out and making all kinds of mistakes. It's like learning to swim. You go in the shallow end first and you work your way through that, and little by little you learn to be a more autonomous swimmer, and it's the same way in learning how to teach. We get those small excursions first, and then step by step we develop more and more autonomy as a teacher in the classroom. Our students explore who they are as teachers. I'm not interested in them becoming another teacher like me. They need to aspire to greater things, and they need to discover who they are as a teacher. Teaching is a very personal thing, and particularly when you're teaching music, because it's also a very personal endeavor. And so we need for them to discover who they're going to be as that high quality music educator that's really going to connect with the students in their classrooms.